Think I can see a fool halo. About to meet my maker, brought a double cup of Drano. Soda for the flavor, uncontrollable behavior with some psychopathic tendencies. Lonely as your neighbor with the boot, he got special needs. Word to my denim fiends, I'm Kennedy on ecstasy. My flavor from the nature, need an acre for my recipe. They got my soul, but I don't let them take the rest of me. My melody, a little like Kenny G's, it's heavenly. And my denim Taylor, me in action rapping, I'll be with the fader, sipping mind eraser. Actually, we rapping for the fuck of it. Taking money from you, gon' smack you out in public. You the Republican government, abundance of substance, have a consumption of folk. With your banana republic fit, those us and your boot looking like cousin it, the ugliest.
I said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Groovy wild enough to steal candy from a baby. Cadillacs is getting whipped 185th just for that sizzle. Gore-Tex in case of drizzle.
I said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Looking up into the clouds where the angels sit. They looking down, keeping watch till I'm dead. So how'd I get this red dot on my head?
Yo, I don't perform unless the money's in my pocket first. After rapping, take my people out for octopus. We all deserve it, dedication to the fam. Don't hold your hand out for nothing if you claim to be my man, damn. You see me peeling off and whip like when your mother stripped. Blow the dice, roll the hit another trip. I'm on some hands are fucking hotter than the leather in the 6 in the summertime. I understand I'm only rhyming for this son of mine, and so my daughter could be a lawyer and reap the spoils. We ate the tuna and sway Puma. My look is Jay Buna. Doggy, cause some of us just age sooner. I'm still twisted, rocking lizards from a strange river. Forbidden jungle in the joint paper, point shaver. Check the bio. I fixed the game between Kentucky and Miami of Ohio. I've been wild. It must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Groovy wild enough to steal candy from a baby. Cadillacs is getting whipped 185th just for that sizzle. Gore-Tex in case of drizzle.
I said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Looking up into the clouds where the angels sit. They looking down, keeping watch till I'm dead. So how'd I get this red dot on my head? Not enough. I'm hot as wasabi sauce and constantly giving y'all a bit of this ambiance. I was a minor